Welcome. If you're missing important Snapchat messages because you don't notice them right away, turning on app icon badges for unread chat reminders can make a big difference. Those little numbers on your app icon are an easy way to stay on top of conversations without even opening the app. Let's walk through how to enable this feature step by step. First, open your phone's settings. This is where you control how apps behave on your device, including notifications. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section shows all the apps installed on your phone. From the list, find and tap on Snapchat. This will open the app-specific settings where you can customize how Snapchat works on your device. Now tap on Notifications. Here you'll see all the different notification options available for Snapchat. After that, tap on Notification Categories. This section lets you manage specific types of alerts rather than changing everything at once. Look for Unread Chat Reminder and tap on it. This is the setting responsible for notifying you when you have messages you haven't opened yet. Finally, toggle on app icon badges. Once this is enabled, you'll start seeing a small number on the Snapchat app icon whenever you have unread chats waiting for you. And that's it. With this simple change, you'll never overlook a message again. It's especially helpful if you receive a lot of snaps or chats throughout the day and want a quick visual reminder right on your home screen. Give it a try and you'll notice how much easier it is to stay connected without constantly checking the app.